Hi, I'm glad to be here. This is McKinney Market Watch. I would start to showing you the new listing in the McKinney. In the last 7 days, there has been 22 new listing in the last 7 days. In the last 3 days, there was only 3 listing. In the last 7 days, 22 listings. Sold properties in the last 7 days in McKinney area is 43 property that's sold. 43 property comparing to 22 properties listing. We are about 21 property short for this coming month. So we sold 21 property more than how many property came into the market. That's indicating is a seller's market. Sellers are getting multiple offers and sometimes over asking price offers, and buyers are competing for properties these days. This is the trend. Actually, it's been like that for the last year, and starting this year, as you can see, is still continuing the same. So if you are a buyer, I urge you to hurry up and get what you want, what you need. And if you are a seller, this is a great time to sell. I would like to show you a couple of more facts. This is December 2020 comparing to December 2019. December 2020 closing sales are 14% up, 13.8%, close to 14% higher than December 2019. The median sale prices on December 2020 is 9.7% higher than December 2019. And then the inventory of the properties are 49.8% down in December 2020 comparing to 2019. These facts actually telling us is definitely is a buyer's market. It's definitely is a seller's market. Buyers are struggling. There isn't enough inventory in the market. As you can see, 49.8% is lower than just a year before December. And that means if December 2019 we had 20 property listing came into the market in December, this year there was only 10. And prices on the median price sells 10% higher, and in closed sales 14% higher than last year. Also, if you look at the sale prices, that's for the McKinney area and entire MLS. The entire MLS, I have another one here that I would like to delete. So, okay, in 2019, the MLS median sale price was $239,000. McKinney was $325,000. 2020 entire MLS market 257 and McKinney's 333. So if you look at it, that's not that much of upwards from the beginning of 2019 to the beginning of 2020. But to the end of 2020, the McKinney market has gone up by $360,000, by $30,000 almost. That's for median housing. $295,000 for the MLS, which is again is about $40,000, $37,000 higher in the entire MLS for the whole year. So as you can see, these are the facts. Here I can show you the price per square feet. In 2019, MLS was $122. McKinney is at $130. 2020, MLS went up by $7, $129, and McKinney's $137 from 130, which is the same. By the end of 2020, MLS $141 and McKinney $149. The supply on the month of the supply of the inventory 2019 3.1, almost the same. If you look at the graph here, is basically the blue one is the MLS, and the brownish goldish one is the McKinney, and McKinney is dropping really faster than overall MLS. So in some areas is not as bad as some other areas. McKinney's, Allen, Frisco, Plano, these are the areas that there isn't much of a listing coming into the market. Home for sales, the number of the homes for sale, 2019, 27,000 in the whole MLS. McKinney was 818, and then it shows 2020, still 27,000 in the whole MLS, 640 in the McKinney area. And then by the end of 2020, the whole MLS from 27,000 to 16,000, 11,000 less houses came into the market. 234, about 400 properties came, less than 400 property came into the market in McKinney by the end of 2020. So you can see it's definitely is a seller's market. And I would urge you, if you are a buyer, get the property that you like as soon as possible. And if you are a seller, this is a great time to sell. So don't hesitate. You don't know how long this market is gonna last for buyers and sellers, because if the mortgage rate changes, there is a chance the price and the market will change accordingly. Sellers, if you need to sell and go to a better place, bigger place, this is the time. And buyers, don't wait, this is the time. Thank you.